Now, I just finished talking about adjacent angles. After adjacent angles, we're going to talk about complementary angles. Now, thinking back, probably to some point in time when you were in middle school or elementary school, you talked about complementary angles, and these are just two angles with a sum of 90 degrees. So they add up to 90 degrees. And sometimes they're attached, sometimes they're not attached. I drew these separate, so angle 1, angle 2, and I can say, oh, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90 degrees. So two angles that add to 90 degrees. And anytime we see that word complementary, we want to think 90 degrees. So right here, I've got angle H is 28. I've got angle J is X. I want to find the measure of angle J. All I'm going to do is say 90 minus the 28 gives me 62. And that is what the measure of angle J is equal to. I just subtract those. It's really nice when it's numbers like that, straightforward. Here, name a pair of complementary angles. Well, they have to add up to 90. So all I've got are these two here that are 90. Those are the only ones that are marked. Those are the only ones I can look at. Those are the ones I have to stick with. So I have to say that those are angles BFC and angle CFD. Don't try to pick these other ones. I know they look like they're 90, but this is the only one that's marked. So those are the only ones I can use. Then we get to things like this, and it's a little trickier here. It says that A and B are complementary. Well, that means that angle A plus angle B equal 90. And then I can take what I'm given for angle A and B right here and plug them in. So I can do 7x plus 4 plus 4x plus 9 equals 90. And now it's a nice straightforward equation. I can solve this. 11x plus 13 equals 90. Subtract the 13 from both sides, and I get 77. Divide both sides by 11, and I get x equals to 7, which is great, not what it asks me to find. So I need that, but then I have to plug things in. So I'm going to plug in to find the measure of angle A, 7 times 7 plus 4. 7 times 7, 49, plus 4 is 53 degrees. And that's the measure of angle A. Measure of angle B, 4 times 7 plus 9. 28 plus 9 is 37 degrees. And these two add up to 90, which is what I wanted to do. On example 4, remember this box means 90, so these are complementary angles. All I have to do is set this up. This is very much like angle addition where we did part plus part equals the whole. It's just this one in particular. We set it up equal to 90. Then it's a nice equation. Go through, collect my like terms. Subtract the 13. Divide by 11, and I get x equals 7. So I end up with that. And that's complementary angles.